Hello folks, and welcome to the channel. This is going to be the next project that I'm sure you guys are going to be very excited to experience with me. This is my tree house that is all cedar for the most part, and we are going to be completely rehabbing this tree house and expanding it with full heating and air conditioning, and making this thing absolutely magical. It's absolutely beautiful. It was took a lot of love with this tree house. So I'm going to show you the interior here in a second. I just want you to see the exterior and appreciate how beautiful behind the tree house this nice little creek slash river is. It's a small river, but trust me, when it does rain, it gets very, very, very close to breaching. So I will let you know, and we will continue. And we are back. So as you can see, we actually have a branch, which I think is really neat, that actually enters through one of the walls, and it carries on into the actual tree house. As you can see, this tree house is absolutely built to the nines. We have French closing windows. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to be running full heating and air conditioning, which would include obviously electricity. But I want to show you the view, which this entire deck is going to be actually expanded. But I want to show you the view from the back of the tree house, which is absolutely gorgeous. So this is where the branch actually comes through the side, which I haven't really decided whether or not I'm going to be doing away with the branch and then patching it and or replacing the cedar siding on it. But this is it in a nutshell, and I'm probably going to expand it to about 3 to 4 times its actual size, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. So I can't wait for you guys to come along with this journey with me. It's going to be a long one, but it's going to be far well worth it. Thank you so much for watching.